Hi everyone, my name is Shivangi Tiwari and welcome back to my channel. Currently, I'm working as a product manager in Dubai, but I started my career as a software engineer. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about something which I keep hearing constantly कि शिवांगी मुझे कोडिंग नहीं आती है, क्या मैं हाई सैलरीज अर्न कर सकता हूँ? शिवांगी मेरा कंप्यूटर साइंस बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, क्या फिर भी मैं टेक फील्ड में एंट्री ले सकता हूँ? कोडिंग सीखने का टाइम नहीं है बट अच्छी सैलरी चाहिए, तो क्या ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं मेरे लिए? 2026 में बिना प्रोग्रामिंग किए कौन से ऐसे बेस्ट करियर ऑप्शंस हैं आपके लिए? So if someone is going to ask me about my opinion, so I would say artificial intelligence की वजह से this is the best time to grab high-paying jobs in the IT industry even without doing coding. So yes, you heard it right. एक टाइम था जब लोग कहते थे कि अगर आपको कोडिंग आती है तभी आप अच्छी सैलरी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. That myth is outdated now, and I'm going to prove that to you in this video with real data, real salary insights and real career options which you can think about yourself. By the end of this video, you are going to know 5 specific high-paying career options जिसके लिए आपको कोडिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, एग्जैक्ट सैलरी रेंजेस, एंट्री से लेके सीनियर लेवल तक आप क्या सैलरीज एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, skills you need to build for each of these careers, and last, a step-by-step roadmap to break into these fields. क्योंकि it's already February 2026 now and job market has already transformed a lot, and trust me, whatever I'm going to share you in this video, it's going to be completely as per my experience working into the tech industry, working into the hiring roles and seeing what all companies desperately need. So in this video, we are going to cover that why non-coding roles are more in demand nowadays, 5 specific career options with detailed breakdown, skills and qualifications you need, salary progression and growth potential, and a practical action plan to get started. So without any further ado, let's start the video and understand that why exactly non-coding roles are booming these days. Now let me share you some mind-blowing data facts. According to LinkedIn's 2025 Jobs on the Rise report, 7 out of 10 fastest growing roles are non-technical positions into the technical companies. Gartner research shows that by 2026, 60% of roles in tech companies will be non-coding positions, up from 42% in 2023. McKinsey 2025 report states that demand for uniquely human skills have grown 3 times faster than the demand for pure technical skills. So with the data, you can completely understand that there is huge demand for non-technical roles at the current time. And you know why this is happening? So the first reason is that AI has democratized coding. That means tools like GPT, GitHub, Copilot, Claude ने कोडिंग को बहुत एक्सेसिबल बना दिया है. अब बेसिक कोडिंग का काम एआई ऑलरेडी कर दे रहा है. तो कंपनीज को चाहिए वो लोग जो एआई को डायरेक्ट कर सके, नॉट जस्ट पीपल हु राइट कोड. सेकंड रीजन इज टेक कंपनीज नीड मोर दैन बिल्डर्स. प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रेटेजी कौन डिसाइड करेगा, यूजर्स को कौन समझेगा, बिजनेस ग्रोथ कौन ड्राइव करेगा, ये सब नॉन कोडिंग रोल्स हैं एंड दे आर एक्चुअली वेरी क्रिटिकल. So companies want people who can do this. And third but very obvious reason is that hybrid roles are going to be the future now. Companies want people who understand tech but bring other skills as well. Communication, strategy, design, business के skills premium command कर रही हैं. So the real truth is tech companies are desperate to hire non-coding talents, but can you bring in the other skills which they are looking forward for? If yes, then the salaries are going to be interesting. So talking about the first career, it's AI product manager role. ये kind of मेरा favorite role है because I'm also working into the same domain. Now what does product managers exactly do? तो product vision को define करना, user needs और business goals को align करना, engineering, design, marketing teams को coordinate करना, features prioritization करना and roadmap create करना, and you're not going to write a single line of code also. The salary ranges for product managers in India from entry level to senior level you can check on your screen. Now if we talk about salaries that you're going to get in the Europe, in the US, in Dubai, internationally, that also you can check on your screen. Now talking about the skills that you need, it's product thinking and user empathy, data analysis, of course, Excel, SQL basics, and not coding. Then communication and stakeholder management, basic understanding of tech. You don't have to code, but you have to understand what is possible with coding. And yes, business and market analysis. And do you want to know that why this field is very hot nowadays? Because according to Glassdoor's 2025 Best Job Report, PM is ranked number 3 highest rated job in the world. Product-led growth strategy हर company adopt कर रही है, and companies realize that great products need great product managers, not just great engineers. So earlier जैसे engineers की demand बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ी थी एक टाइम पर, same is going to happen with product managers because again as said, अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर का अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है. So how can you start your career or break into this role? So start with associate PM or junior PM roles. Take courses on product management, build a portfolio of case studies, mock product solutions, network with product managers on LinkedIn because you will not realize the way you're going to get the opportunities with this. And of course, join PM communities and attend meetups if possible. And आपने सुना होगा कि engineering वालों का product manager role के लिए बहुत easily हो जाता है, but ऐसा this is not the complete truth. प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट हर एक डोमेन में है, तो आप जिस भी डोमेन में आते हो आप उस स्पेसिफिक डोमेन के प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर बन सकते हो. A lot of companies prefer non-engineering candidates for product manager role because these people bring fresh perspective in the market. Alright, so product manager एक hot career option है अभी के टाइम पे. आपको कोडिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, आप किसी भी बैकग्राउंड से हो, आप इस फील्ड में एंटर कर सकते हो and you can actually expect a very good salary in this field. But the real question is कि शिवांगी प्रिपरेशन कहाँ से करनी है? क्या MBA करने की जरूरत है या बिना MBA के भी हो जाएगा? So in my opinion आपको अलग से MBA करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can take up a course or certification and get prepared for the role. And recently ही मैंने इंटर्नशाला का AI Product Manager course देखा and I have to tell you that this course is very well structured. Why am I saying this? So देखो, इंटर्नशाला पर 21 मिलियन से ज़्यादा students trust करते हैं. That means they have the credibility. But what really stood out for me was one, ये course specifically non-tech backgrounds के लिए design है. So no coding is required. You start from the basics and slowly and gradually you reach to the job ready level. Second, it is completely AI focused. और 2026 में अगर आप product manager बनना चाहते हो तो AI skills are non-negotiable. You are going to learn how to build AI powered products, use AI tools for product research and think like a modern product manager. Third is real product projects and portfolio building. So you're not just going to learn the theory, but you'll be actually building product case studies that you can showcase in your interviews. Fourth, and this is huge, you're going to get complete placement support. So they literally help you get a product manager job or they will give you your full refund. So you're going to get placement support, resume building, mock interviews and the whole package. Talking about the curriculum, so it covers product strategy, user research, roadmaps, data analytics basics, AI tools integration and everything a 2026 product manager needs. And you're also going to learn tools like Figma, basic SQL, analytics and AI tools like ChatGPT for PM workflows. Their alumni have landed in companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Razorpay and the reviews are genuinely impressive. And when you see the success story, you will know that people from commerce, arts and non-computer science background have successfully switched their roles to PM role. One thing that I have to remind you is कोई भी course या कोई भी प्रोग्राम आपको गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, एक स्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, बट द एफर्ट अगेन इज इन योर हैंड्स. यू हैव टू अटेंड द क्लासेस, कंप्लीट योर प्रोजेक्ट्स, बिल्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो and that's what makes you interview ready. So if you're serious about building your career into product manager role, I'll highly recommend this course. Link to check out is into the description. They have limited seats, so enroll now and you can start your product manager journey with Internshala. Alright, so now let's move on to the next career option, which is a UI UX designer. Now designing is such a field where creativity meets business and this field is exploding right now. So what does a UI UX designer do? User research करना to understand कि users को किस चीज की need है, wireframes और prototypes बनाना, visual designs create करना like application, websites and products, user testing और iteration करना, and here also you don't need any coding. पूरा का पूरा डिजाइन टूल्स यूज करके आपको सारा काम करना होता है. इंडिया में एज अ फ्रेशर एंड सीनियर लेवल आप क्या सैलरी रेंजेस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? यू कैन चेक दैट ऑन योर स्क्रीन. टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में एज अ यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइनर आपकी क्या सैलरी होगी, दैट आल्सो यू कैन चेक ऑन द स्क्रीन. नाउ द स्किल्स दैट यू आर गोइंग टू नीड टू बिकम अ यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइनर: Figma, Adobe XD or Sketch. These are the designing tools that you'll be learning. Then user research करने के methods, understanding of design principles, prototyping and wireframing, basic understanding of how products are built and portfolio development skills. Now telling you exactly why this field is hot right now. So Adobe's 2025 design report suggests demand for UX designers grew 189% in the past 3 years. Another thing, every digital product needs a good design. This is a non-negotiable. Next is, if the design is not good, users are not going to stay and hence the business will be at loss. So companies have realized that design is a business strategy and not just to make things look pretty. Now there are multiple specializations which you can do into the designing field. You can check on your screen and also the consequent salaries that you can get into the particular specialization. Now how exactly you can break into this field? So build a strong portfolio which should have 3 to 5 case studies at least. Take UI UX course, boot camps, free courses, YouTube courses, anything would work. Redesign popular apps as your practice projects, participate into design challenges and network into the design communities. In this field and the product management field, your portfolio matters more than your degree. Talking about the next career role, which is of data analyst. I'm sure आपने जरूर सुना होगा that data is the new oil and these data analysts extract value from these numbers. So let me tell you what the data analysts exactly do. Business data को analyze करना, reports और dashboards बनाना, insights निकालना जो business decisions को drive करते हैं, trends identify करना and give presentations to the stakeholder. Okay, एक confusion clear करनी है मुझे आपको. Data analysts and data scientists and data engineers, all of them are not same. For being a data scientist or a data engineer, you might need ML basics, you might need Python coding and some other skills. But for data analyst role, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा coding की requirement नहीं है. Now talking about the salary ranges that you are going to get in India as an entry level and to senior level, you can check on your screen. And internationally आप क्या salaries expect कर सकते हो, you can check that on your screen. Now skills की बात करें, so first is your Excel basic से लेके advanced तक, where you will be learning VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, formulas and everything. Then talking about SQL for data querying. This is not programming, it's a querying language, so don't get confused that it is a programming language. Then data visualization के लिए either Tableau or Power BI, then basic statistics, business understanding and presentation skills. Now why this field is hot right now? So US Bureau of Labor Statistics says data analyst jobs growing 23% through 2031. Next is every industry needs data analysts, be it finance, marketing, e-commerce, healthcare. Almost every industry needs data analysts. Next is data-driven decision has become the new standard of the industry. And last, according to Burning Glass Technologies, there are 2.7 million data analyst job postings that are published annually. If you are preparing for data analyst role, there are multiple other paths which you can prepare for. You can check on your screen. Also, the salaries you can check. Now, how you can exactly break into this field? So, master Excel first. That is the foundation. Then learn SQL. You can learn SQL from any free resources you want to. Pick one visualization tool. Either you are going ahead with Tableau or you are going ahead with Power BI. Do projects with real data sets, either from Kaggle or government data, and build a portfolio on GitHub or any personal website. The next career option is of a digital marketing specialist. Now, digital marketing is not just posting content on social media, it is actually a high-paying career. What does digital marketing specialist do? So, marketing campaigns को plan और execute करना, SEO, SEM and social media marketing करना, content strategy development करना, analytics tracking और ROI measurement करना, email marketing, paid advertising and brand building. Salary ranges in India from fresher to senior level, you can check on your screen. And salary ranges internationally, you can check on your screen. Skills that you are going to learn are SEO and SEM के fundamentals, Google Analytics, Google Ads, social media marketing on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, content creation and copywriting, email marketing tools like MailChimp and HubSpot, basics of graphic designing like using Canva Basic and Photoshop, and data analysis for marketing metrics. Now, why this field is hot right now? So, according to Statista, Google ad spending will reach $786 billion globally by 2026. Every business from startup to enterprises need their digital presence. Traditional marketing का जो budget था, that is shifting to digital marketing budget. And according to LinkedIn data, digital marketing roles grew 33% plus over the last few years. There are different specializations that you can do into this field. You can check on your screen, and also the salaries that you can get. You can check that. Now, how exactly you can break into this field? So, you have to start with Google Digital Garage, which is a free certification. Then build your own brand on LinkedIn or Instagram just to get the practical experience or show as a portfolio. Next, take any freelancing project either on Fiverr or on Upwork. Then get certified in Google Ads, Facebook Blueprint. Next, you can join any digital marketing agencies just for minor experience. Then you can switch to big companies. एक pro tip बताती हूँ, performance marketing और paid ads, they pay you the most because इनका direct impact होता है revenue पे. So whenever you are learning digital marketing, आप इस पे ज़्यादा focus कर सकते हो. Talking about the next career option, which is of a business analyst or management consultant. So this job role is a bridge between business and technology, and that is why it's a high-paying role. What does a business analyst do? So business problems identify करना, solutions recommend करना, process improvement strategies, requirement gathering for tech teams, market research or competitive analysis, strategy presentation to leadership. इस role पर in India आप क्या salaries expect कर सकते हो as a fresher and as a senior level? You can check that on your screen. Internationally, आप क्या salaries expect कर सकते हो? You can check that on your screen. Now, talking about the skills that you're going to need to come into this role. So, business process understanding, data analysis, Excel, SQL, basic tools, presentation and communication skill, problem-solving frameworks like SWOT analysis, Porter's 5 forces, etc. Stakeholder management, domain knowledge in whatever domain you are, whether it's finance, healthcare, retail, etc. and documentation skills. Talking about why this role is hot right now, so Deloitte's 2025 consulting outlet report says that business transformation projects up to 45%. Every company is undergoing digital transformation and they need business analysts. There is a huge gap between business and technology team, and BA kind of fills that gap. According to IIBA, demand of BA is expected to grow 14% annually through 2028. Now, different domain में कौन सी top hiring companies हैं, you can check that on your screen. How you can break into this field? So MBA helps, but it's not mandatory. Many successful BAs are there into the industry who have not done MBAs and they have just done some certification courses. So you can look for certifications like CBAP, PMI, PBA or Six Sigma. Next, you can start in analyst role at any company, build industry expertise, pick one, whether it is finance, healthcare or retail. practice case study solving, and yes, network with consultants and try to attend industry events. Now one thing, जो consulting firms होती हैं, especially the big fours, they pay the most to the BA people. बट हाँ, अगर छोटी फर्म है तो उस पे एज अ बीए आपका फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ एंट्री बहुत इजी हो जाता है. नाउ आई एक्चुअली कवर्ड द टॉप रोज. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट हाउ यू कैन स्टेप बाय स्टेप create an action plan to crack the roles. So first of all, you have to pick one career path and then follow a roadmap instead of getting confused. So firstly, you have to focus on foundation and exploration for any path you choose. Research about the role deeply. Join 3 to 5 LinkedIn groups in that field. Follow 10 professionals in that domain. Take one free introductory course just to understand and get the flavor of the course and assess it properly. Is this really something that I want to do in long term? In the next 2-3 months, you will be doing skill building. So for product management, follow these path. For UI UX designing, you can follow these path. For data analyst, you can follow this path. For digital marketing, this is the path you should follow. And for business analyst role, this is the path you should follow. Month 4 and 5 is going to be your portfolio building and application. For all the paths, build 2 to 3 strong portfolio projects, create LinkedIn profile highlighting your new skills, write 5 posts about what you are learning that will showcase your learning journey and also will give you visibility. Next, you apply to 20 relevant jobs and internships every day and try to connect with more than 30 professionals into the industry in that same domain. Month 6 is going to be your interview preparation and landing your job role. So practice mock interviews for that on either pre-placed or interview bit, wherever you want to. Prepare your own story, that why do you want to get into this career, what have you built. Follow up strategically on your applications. Be ready to start at slightly lower salaries for your first job role, and don't stop learning even after getting the job offer, because you have to get the growth in the industry. For that, you have to keep learning. And now as we come to the end of the video, I want to just say that pick one career path in which you are interested. Sincerely, dedicatedly give 6 months of preparation time. Build your proper portfolio, apply strategically to the jobs, and I'm sure you're going to land your first job. So action items for you would be to decide, start, commit, share and track your performance. कुछ resources and all मैंने description में डाल दिए that might help you. बाकी अगर ये video अच्छी लगी है, so don't forget to hit the like button, share it to your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified जब भी मैं कोई नई video डालूँ तो. Thank you so much.